Weather at 2000 Zulu. Wind 190 at 11 gusting 16. Visibility 15. 25000 broken. Temperature 31. Dew point 15. Altimeter 2984. Approach ILS runway 24 right. Departure runway 24 right. Advise ATC that you have information echo. Sends information echo. Weather at 2000 Zulu. Wind 190 at 11 gusting 16. Visibility 15. 25000 broken. Temperature 31. Dew point 15. Altimeter 2984. Approach ILS runway 24 right. Departure runway 24.
Roger 592. To Roger Ground, good afternoon. You are clear to the Montreal airport via the Decky for departure, then make low transition, flight plan route, depart 24 right, and you can squawk 6371.
WestJet 592 is cleared to Montreal via the Decky 4 departure, big low transition flight plan route, off runway 24 right and 6371.
Roger 592, the readback is correct. Pushing start is at your discretion. Information echo is current. Call me on this frequency when ready for taxi.
Check push and start at our discretion. We'll give you a call. We have echo for WestJet 592. Grad WestJet 592, lane 1 with information echo. We already have taxi.
Roger 592, Roger, information echo is current. Altimeter 2984. Runway 24 right, you can taxi via apron at your discretion, then Alpha Tango, Bravo, Charlie, hold short 24 right.
Apron at discretion, Alpha Tango, Bravo, Charlie, hold short runway 24 right, WestJet 592. Q4 right's confirmed. Takeoff. Start set.
WestJet 592, contact Toronto arrival now 132.8. Have a good night.
132.8, WestJet 592, see ya. Good day, WestJet 592, 2,400, climbing 5,000.
WestJet 592, Toronto arrival, identified, climb flight level 230.
Climb flight level 230, WestJet 592.
WestJet 592, turn left direct second on course.
Left turn direct second on course, WestJet 592. Montreal, bonsoir. It's WestJet 592, flight level 370, information Oscar.
WestJet 592, bonsoir, expect runway 06 right at Montreal tonight.
We're set up for 6 right, WestJet 592.
Affirmatif, monsieur, ça va plus 07 sans service ce soir.
07 service, merci.
WestJet 592, winds are calm at Montreal, clear to land runway 06 right.
Check winds calm, clear land 6 right, WestJet 592.
And correction number 2, clear to land runway 06 right.
Check number 2, WestJet 592.
Guys, like that 5, we'll take yard as Zulu, just 7 in Ottawa today with the possible visual if we get the airport.
That's 975, Roger, press direct Teal out.
Direct 2 line, guys, like that 5.
Montreal Center, good afternoon, case for 217 is with you, descending through 13,500.
And Express 217, good evening, condition 3000, the altimeter at Ottawa, 29902, direct Vessel.
Roger, continue descent down to 3000, we have altimeter 29902 and direct to Vessel, okay, for 217.
And Express 217, yeah, Vessel clear for the ILS approach, runway 07.
Clear for the ILS approach, runway 07 to Vessel. Thanks for 217.
Bravo Zulu Hotel, stay indicated speed.
Vitesse indiquée 265. Charles Bravo
Bravo Zulu Hotel, Roger, gardez 240 nœuds jusqu'en finale, continuez à descendre 3000 pieds.
240 nœuds jusqu'en finale et on descend à 3000 pieds. Bravo Zulu Hotel.
Aircraft now 460, reduce speed 240 on our left. Continue descent 4000.
240 left, 460.